Step 1. Apply Rid Flea Tick shampoo to dog. I don't know why I do this before I get her wet, but I'm gonna. Anyways, I'm gonna stop. So, today on JT Foxy, we are going to give my dog a bath. Doggylicious, dogginess, bathiness, oh. So, dogginess bath. Anyways, yes, it's me. We're giving my dog a bath. Step 1. Yes, well, step 1. Step 2. Scrub my dog with shampoo. Yes, I'm scrubbing my doggy. Scrubby. By the way, this is my dog Foxy. If you're wondering why it says JP Foxy. Now I have to wait 15 minutes. I lied. I have to wait 5 minutes. So I have to lock her in my bathroom for 5 minutes. And this will start now. Stay, Foxy. Stay. Damn. Locked in 5 minutes. Dog needs to be washed off. Let's show how. Smells like dead wet dog. Scrubby dog. Scrub. Ah, no, not me. Yes. Washing my doggy. You are dirty. Yes, you are. You're a dirty doggy. Dirtiness. Washing it off. Dirtiness. Sorry for scaring you people. When I'm washing my dog. Ah! And she wet the lint. Cause she don't wanna be wet anymore. Okay, I can sing better than that. But okay, my dog has had enough. Dry off, doggy. Dry it off. Godzilla! Drying it off. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, I'm drying it off. Oh yeah. Drying it off, baby. Oh, roll it over. Oh yeah. Yeah, doggy, yeah. Washing that dog off. Oh, drying off. Try it, man. Try. Shake it off. Shaking it off. Woo! Oh, I'm getting so bored. You're not dry yet. Oh, you are boring. Ah! Jump! Dry it off! Dry it off! Dry it off! Okay, that's it, man. I'm getting bored. Bye-bye.
Como me gusta estar entre tus brazos y hasta me fascinan tus mentiras. No me importa.